Can you hear me now? I'm sure you can hear me now. Yeah, you guys hear no sound, right? Now you know what it is to live my life. So we got the headphones in. We got STV already cracking up right there. All right. We're gonna bring the man on in. You guys were just on his stream. All right. So let's go ahead and make it rain on them hoes. Let's go.
Woo! Dude. Fucking great day so far.
Yeah, remember last night you texted me, you said, Gabe, you like that SPY 4-hour cross, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I printed 55% this morning, fucker.
You want to know what my Apple contracts are up right now?
Ooh.
35 for next week.
Ooh.
So my plan is to either make them completely free or take a significant amount of profit off the table. So I have a lot of wiggle room to play these 4-hour crosses down.
Okay.
That's the goal. So Apple's just getting across now. I was watching SPY at support there right around, what was it, 374.
It broke.
Apple, yeah, the Apple was the 3-minute cross. Once Apple broke 136, we knew it was going to be a bearish day. Then it comes down, stair steps its way down. It didn't really rim on anything, but watching the SPY as you're watching Apple, I mean, it's just, if you look at Apple on the 3-minute, you didn't get the cross on, oh boy, this is a big one.
Apple's like, Microsoft, want to buy us? Want to buy us right now?
Well, the other thing is this is why market context is so important. Remember in the pre-market what we were saying, guys. So Apple yesterday had a very weird, irrational day to the upside. It didn't make a whole lot of sense with where the market was going. And I was like, it could have a little, what I would call a mean reversion day. So with the bad data that's coming out, Apple got overinflated yesterday for no reason, and it could come right back down to the downside. Then we saw the cross. We saw SPY right at those levels there, and now it's fucking tanking, and we're making a bunch of money. So, holy shit.
Yes, who likes money?
Me, I like money.
We all like money. Everyone likes money. Guys, make sure you join in on premium. Today is the last day. That is $69. Otherwise, you're going to have to FOMO into 96. Now we're raising the prices. You guys heard us yesterday. We have some amazing news, but that amazing news is going to cost me a lot of fucking money. So
it's going to be really good, though. It's going to
be fucking insane. Anyways, guys, link down in the description, link pinned up to the comments. Please don't FOMO into 96. This is your chance to change your life starting now. Even if tomorrow and Tuesday we start with some paper trading accounts and learn the strategy. We learned the strategy so that July and August we could go ahead and make some money. In fact, I would think that after the dog days of summer, we'll start seeing the market say, okay, let's just come alive, right? Because it has to. Can you imagine a Santa no rally in December?
That would be ridiculous.
A Santa no rally. You know, guys, make sure you get in now because if not, your kids aren't going to have any fucking gifts under the tree.
You want to? Oh, they don't. I'll be buying the gifts for your people because look at this. Hold on, let me see here.
Uh-oh.
Can you see this? Hold on. Can you see this?
I don't know. Screenshot it and drop it in the community.
48% right there. You see that?
Ooh, 48%.
Oh, it's way more now. Oh.
Let's go.
I like it. So Apple's dying now. Watch it drag down the market, and then you could look at Tesla here too.
Ooh, let's go ahead. I'm bringing up Discord and the alerts. Let's look at the SPY. Yes, 30-minute alerts are gone. The reason why 30-minute alerts are gone is that after some back testing, they don't yield the same profitable results as we would like them to. Hold on. Let me correct this, right? I feel for the skill set with a lot of new individuals coming in. We don't want to expose you to the 30-minute time frame too soon.
It's in the no man's land.
Yeah,
That's kinda where
yeah.
I see it. 30 minutes, no man's land. I like, the reason why I like why I look at the 30-minute is to draw my zones or to look at a dynamic level of supported resistance with, where where the 13 is. That's how I look at the 30-minute and the 1 hour.
Pamela, thank you. I'm trying to get that STV here.
It's hard, bro.
It's that
It takes a
Johnny
lot of work.
Bravo
You should have
shit.
seen dude, you should have seen the story arc of my hair. It was
Okay. So I'm assuming there's a lady that comes to your door each and every morning with some goop hanging off her ear. You just grab it
Oh,
and
is that from Something About Mary?
yeah,
With the hair, dude?
yeah. So
I think my dad went to college with the guys that made that movie.
really,
Yeah, I think so.
oh, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. All right, so we are on the SPY here now. Why is it holding here? Now we're on the 5 minute chart here. We got to go ahead and see if we can see some levels over the past 7 trading days. We are right here, right there. Let's go ahead. Alt H, blue line. That's that blue pill line, right? SPY breaks this. She goes to sleep.
Mhm.
She goes to sleep.
Oh,
SPY
shit,
breaks
that's the
this.
other line. What is it, 372?
Yeah, that's 372.91.
Oh,
If we
boy.
get a nice solid candle below this line, she goes night night.
Oh, boy. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm gonna do a little something with this.
Let's see. Does it make sense to secure the bag off a MACD flip and nothing else? No. It makes sense to secure the bag off of an RSI crossover through its moving average because then the MACD warned you after the fact, right?
Yeah.
So the MACD is a trailing indicator, but what we're seeing here with the RSI and the moving average, it seems to be like a leading indicator. Even though I know it's also a trailing indicator, but just the behavior and how we're using it, it almost seems like a leading indicator. So I wouldn't rely on the MACD. The MACD would keep you into play slightly longer. Let me explain. If you were playing the RSI here and it was gently going up, right? Once that RSI breaks here, as you can see, then you start getting these doom candles, right? But the MACD happened maybe about a candle a little bit too late. All right. So just use the indicators in conjunction. Not any one indicator is better than the other, but when you're able to go through your progressions and read the indicators, you're able to make a much more, I guess, you have a stronger thesis to
Mhm.
your play. I think that's really important.
You wanna pull up Tesla really quick?
Ooh, Tesla. Oh man.
Tesla's just getting out of this little support and resistance area, and it has a cross down right now as well on the 5. Right at
Ooh,
support, you see that?
right at support. And by the looks of it, it's not bouncing up anytime soon, especially here on the 5. Just by the looks of it, it doesn't look that way. We could go ahead and see what it's doing on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, you do have, we got a crossover. It's moving average here on the 1 minute. So what could we expect this to do? Maybe rim off of the 13, and then we have a continuation to the downside. Now, what do you think? Let's get some market context into this, right? There's just a
Mhm.
lot of fear in the market and besides what we know, we got COVID in China, we got Russia, we got inflation, we got possible fears of recession, we got raising interest, we have housing,
Mhm. That's gonna
right?
be bad. That's gonna be good for us, though.
Yeah, that's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So, anything outside of that you think that maybe we should be looking for as like a general clue to the direction of the market?
S So, I did hear a few things. Remember that conversation we had a while ago with, GDP and how the Fed could then come out and say, "Hey, look, we overcooked it. Now we gotta pull back, or we might even need to print a little bit more." Well, Michael Burry recently came out yesterday, I believe, and said the exact same thing. So we've talked about this a few times on the live stream where you could end up seeing the Fed come out and say, hey, it's almost like turning back on QE in a way, meaning that they've tried to pull things back. Inflation's not coming down, but the overall economy is going to get hit. So they have to make a decision of, they could end up just scorched earthing it and just continue to raise rates, or they're going to pull back a little bit and be like, all right, this is not something that we really want to be doing right now.
Interesting.
You guys in the no neck thing, I don't understand this.
Oh, the no neck thing. Okay, so my $200 portfolio is up 530% right now.
I think I'm gonna. I ditched one of the apples. I think I might ditch the rest of them on this.
Ryan Marshall says rates are still low, though. What? Where?
For mortgage rates are coming up. The Fed funds rate is not high enough to where it needs to be yet, but I mean, they're not low, or they're not like low. Like mortgage rates. The thing about houses right now, this is kind of how I see it. If you can, what are the 30-year fix right now? Like 6. If they end up going to 8, you're going to feel really good about locking in your rate at 6. If they go back down to 4 or 3, we'll just do a cash out refi or a refinance and you'll be fine.
All right, cool. Oxy, get out. That's it. That's all I got to tell you. It gave you more than you deserved on that 200 there.
Don't say that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I not financial advice, but
you can't say that either. You just have to look at the chart, buddy. Just look at the chart.
I mean, personally, what I would do, I mean, like, it gave you more than you deserved. So based on that, do as you will. But yeah, that call there paid you. Stop being greedy, you gluttonous fuck. Love you, bro.
That Apple paid too. That Apple paid really nicely. They for next week's too.
Apple.
Projection. Oh, I had another one I was looking at. Oh, Gabe, you want to look at Nvidia right now? It looks really interesting. The 4-hour on Nvidia is coming down. It just broke the lows, the 52-week lows. No real support anywhere near where we're at.
Check this out, guys. This is Nvidia. Okay, I can't sing to save my life, but I'm still going to Hollywood, bitches. You know why? Because I'm fucking rich. Okay, so let's zoom out and let's really look. We got nothing here. So we have to go to the 4-hour. Okay, now let's zoom in on the 4-hour here and see where our levels are. I mean, we're right there. I mean, we broke below this level. We would have to go to the daily as far as, oh my God. When was Nvidia ever this cheap? Are we here? Are we? We are here. We are March of 2021. That's wow. Wow. You know what? Remember how we talked about this in previous live streams that like the market is sort of kind of like resetting up to the point before the Fed started pumping funny money into the shit.
Yeah.
Right. I feel like that is the case. Everything resets before that funny money. And then we go back to the core basics of what the market is, right? It's based on fundamentals, but we don't give a fuck about fundamentals. We just care about that 1348 cross, right? And that's how we make our money. But let's go ahead and look at the SPY and where she's at on the daily, because this gives you a little more context as opposed to what's happening on the 5-minute here, okay? So the SPY is interesting to a novice trader. They would be also confused. They'd be like, what are we doing? But because you have support here that it broke down here on the daily, right? And you see RSI broke below its moving average and is trending down, right? Now, we got some Christmas tree action going on here, right? It's Christmas in July. I really don't like this green, red. I don't. But one thing to look at is when this bad boy here, the STC, finally agrees with what the RSI and the MACD is doing. I think Nvidia goes ahead and sells itself to AMD. No, that'll never happen. But still. All right, guys, we got 513 people in the stream. That's great. Make sure you hit the like button. It really helps out with the algos. So, well, at least that's what STV says.
It does. You got to hit it. All my people that I was telling you guys this morning when we were on the live stream, all like 400 of you guys, what are you doing? Hit the like button. Run it up, people.
Yeah.
We're killing it over here today. We're stealing more money from market makers. This is the best thing ever. We had that nice little 50% trade on Apple. We were calling out SPY, called out Tesla, Nvidia. 1348 is the fucking truth. It is so nice.
1348 is the truth. I mean, alternatively, you could just hang out on Reddit all fucking day and listen to those 19-year-olds talk about, like, hey, not financial advice, but I think it's going to go to the moon. What? I
said, I like 19-year-olds. What the fuck?
Hey, you like them young, dumb Instagram bitches? That's what you like? They don't give a fuck about you.
Neither do I.
Yeah, but you have to hold on. You have to work harder for them than they have to work for you.
No.
No?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
But you just whip out your ankles and be like, baby, these are the ankles of God right here. Yeah. Okay.
You like, see these chicken cutlets we're eating right now? What do you think bought us these $4 chicken cutlets? These ankles.
I am so afraid for STV. He's gonna be running around with fucking in Boston with a fucking white van.
Dude, also, this is funny. I was texting my friend.
You're gonna give out free Mac makeup samples, aren't you? That's how you're gonna lure him in. You fucking guy.
Dude, I didn't realize this. My buddy from high school, I texted him yesterday because I knew he was in Boston, and I was like, "Where are you staying?" And he's like, "Here." I'm like, "Dude, I'm moving there in a week." So we're in the same building. He's there for like an internship for the summer, which is cool.
Oh, that is cool. That is cool. All right, so we got a SPY cross down at 942. That was our last SPY alert. Let's go to the market, see what the market is giving us, what alerts we have here in the market.
And a nice little rim making a new low now. That's a nice one there.
Well, let's look at Costco. Because Costco gave us a call here. Let's bring it over to the 5-minute. So we haven't quite got the call here on the 5-minute, but yeah, 1348 is the truth. What does that look like? That looks like rejection from the 200 EMA. We tell you guys all the time, the EMAs act as support and resistance, especially the 200 EMA. So it came up, it just got like slapped like Chris Rock here. So what's going to happen? Well, maybe we do have a continuation from this put that was established yesterday. All right. So, I mean, I'm just bearish in the markets because everything seems to be below the 200 EMA on the 5-minute. So you are going to be biased to puts. All right. Yeah. He didn't like the. You know what? I think Miami's going to go bust, dude. Of all things, because there was so much crypto that in Miami's economy. Pretty much.
Who's going to buy the fucking McLarens now? Nobody. All you McLaren dealerships down there, but that's different.
Yeah, that's why it pays to be an OG.
Dude, that was the one thing. I was also down there when it was like crypto weekend, and it was also F1. So then all the crypto people were there too, and I was just like, no, I cannot be doing this.
Can't do it. Okay, so let's go back to the SPY here. I want to look at this here. We're looking at the SPY. She has not swallowed that blue pill just yet. I really want her to swallow it.
She wants
like, baby, there's some more protein on the other side of this. Get your protein shots. Just swallow. McCocken, the R size crossing with its 14-period simple moving average. Wait, McCocken. Am I saying your name right?
McCocken.
Oh, McCoken? We can say McCoken. McCoken.
Fucking dollar meal dick? What is this? Dude. Oh my God. We are making so much money today. This is amazing.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, dude, McCocken. Oh my God. You know what? You are forever. You are forever. Someone meme that motherfucker. I love that name, McCocken.
Oh my God. Where's
Oh.
Ivan? Ivan's gonna be.
Well. Okay, so going back to the story with the girl with no neck, because she didn't have a neck, it made my dick feel so much bigger. Because, just a gag reflex happened much sooner.
I gotta hear this story. I gotta go back and watch this. I heard it was a really good story.
Oh, it was fucking hilarious.
This is amazing, dude. Where else are you gonna be able to just trade risky derivatives and then talk about like genitalia on the dollar menu? Oh man,
yes, McLovin. That's what I was thinking about. There's McCocken and we. Yeah, there was McLovin and we got McCocken.
Jesus.
Oh, all right, too early for this. You know what this means? That we're making money this morning. That's what the fuck it means.
I have another play running right now that I'm just kind of letting go. That I'm just like, all right, this one looks good. It's another next week contract. It's already up a little bit, just nursing it. I've already made the money on Apple, just kind of hanging out today now. See how this one's gonna go.
All right, so we got a Kellogg company alert, and so we're on the 5-minute, and we already crossed below. We got that put here. So how are we going to play this? Well, right now, EMAs are way too tight. And I don't like the fact that the RSI is just right there with this moving average. It's not really making sense to me. I mean, I could bet that it's making a move to the downside, but you see where support is at here? And by the way, you're playing a put down to the 200 EMA, which is, again, against the rules. When price action is above the 200 EMA, your buy is to calls. If you're going to play the put, then you know that you got the 200 EMA to McCocken you or McCocken block you the whole time, right? So you're just getting cock block right here. Probably not a play worth taking, I'll be honest. Now, if you want to play this on a daily, let's look at what she's doing on a daily. You see what's happening here on a daily? It's just a daily. Let's look at what she's doing on a 4-hour. The 4-hour looks like she's making moves. Simply going to come back down to the 13. And then it's Kellogg. It's Kellogg, and I have a theory on Kellogg, right? As the market crashes, people losing their jobs, and people got no money, you know what the fuck they're going to be doing? Eating cereal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Woo!
Hey, I'm just thinking about like the times when I was poor. I mean, peanut butter jelly sandwiches all day, every day was the best. Was the absolute best.
Those are
yeah. Oh yes, new term, guys. You heard it here first. Make sure you check out the link down in the description. Make sure you check out the link pinned to the comments. This is your last day for some 69. After that is some 96. And you don't want to get that shit switched up on you. I mean, who does, right? I prefer 69. Anyways, yeah, new trading term, McCocken. That's it.
I like it.
It is a new trading term.
That's almost better than compounding that we got yesterday.
Compounding, I love it. Let's see here. Brooke Oliver says, hey, this is truth. You got McDonald's, Coca-Cola, plus they said cereal prices will go up like 20% this year. Yeah, because apparently we get a lot of our shit from like Ukraine and stuff like that, the grains, and like wow, the U.S. is so dependent on the global economy. It's just is mind-boggling. So I sort of kind of understand what Trump was trying to do with make America great again, but I'm going to stay away from politics, right? I really feel that America needs to build out its own infrastructure to support itself, right? Otherwise, China is just going to no Asian jokes. Okay, back to the chart.
Look, AMD looks interesting.
Let's go ahead and look at AMD.
So it got a 5-minute cross, 3-minute rims.
Ooh, this is filthy here. I like this. You got this put here coming in at 76. You're currently at 75, 78. And STV, you filthy, you filthy, bro, you filthy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, so the way this looks, right? RSI still trending down, MACD trending down, shaft trend. All of the indicators are in agreement. I would be able to stay in this play up until I see that there is a crossover into its moving average currently. I feel very, very confident. We're going to go ahead and zoom out and see if there are any levels over the previous trading days. This is all we got to do, right? Find some levels, and we don't. So let's go to the 4 hours, see if we find a level in the 4 hour.
7250 is what I've seen on it from like a while ago. That's where I see the support on AMD. New lows on it right now. Fucking Jesus. If you look at it, the lower one, maybe lower than that. I know there's one at 7250 somewhere.
There you go. You got let me see, right.
Maybe I missed it because there was that. Oh, I think it's on the 4 hours where I found it.
No, I found it here, 7250 on the daily. We go
Okay,
ahead
cool.
and Alt H. We're gonna blue pill this bitch right here, and let's see if she comes down to this level. That's it. Okay, nice. AMD printing. If you are in AMD, make your money, secure that bag, right, and then look for the continuation. That's simple. Before she makes that continuation, you bet your ass she's going to make another attempt back to the 13 EMA at some point.
It likes it on the 3. The 3 minutes where it's rimmed a lot today so far.
Let's go ahead and look at what she's doing. Oh, there you go. There you go.
If SPY starts to take now too off of this little test of the old support as new resistance, AMD could get clapped. But we'll see. SPY's just kind of hanging out right now. The MACD on SPY is kind of curling around. We'll see.
Yeah, on the 3 minute, the MACD is definitely just on the 5 minute. It gives you just a different perspective, but you see how RSI just crossed its moving average, right? Mm-hmm. So for the sake of the play, I would simply exit here, and then you're going to get the MACD make that cross into, I guess, bullish momentum. It's pending, right? Mm-hmm. And obviously, you see we got this green candle here, but I think we have a continuation. Honestly, I just believe we will have a continuation. So, or maybe not. Maybe this blue pill right here is just that's where she bounces. Who knows?
Yeah, it might do a VWAP test here. I'm just kind of watching, see what's going on. Where's Apple's rimming on the 3. Let's see. I don't know. This could just be a little pop before it just gets shot right back down. Little spring coming up to VWAP and then dead. But we'll see.
Oh yeah, BBIG is getting mauled.
I don't think it's trading today, is it? Or
no?
Oh, is it? Because I thought I saw it halted earlier. I haven't looked at it.
Yeah, this is interesting. But yeah, BBIG $1.23.
Wow.
When's it gonna squeeze?
Wow.
Hey, Reddit, you were right on this one. You were right on this one, right, Reddit? You little fuckboys. You little fuckboys. Taking daddy's money and like, I got a dream. Yeah, okay.
The thing with BBIG is if you look at the companies that it owns, it has the potential to be good. Right now, though, the thesis behind it that everybody's using is short interest, tied dividend, fuck over the shorts. And then side note on the fundamentals, in 2 to 3 years, as crypto comes back and they start really cranking, it could be good. Right now, though, it's not something that I would personally put my money into. But if you want to do it, run it. I can't tell you what to do.
Yeah, I want none of that. I just really want none of that. Like, guys, squeeze chasing is not an investment strategy. Just saying. Squeeze chasing is not an investment.
By all means, you can trade them all day long.
All day long. Yes. So, yeah. BBIG. Fuck BBIG. Just chilling. You know that you said it right when I said it. Yes. Okay. Back to the markets. Let me go ahead and see if we are getting any more alerts. Well, we got T. It's okay. So we got K, and then we got T, and we got AT&T. AT&T. If we look at her on a daily, I mean, AT&T has literally been playing ping pong in this area. Just literally playing ping pong. But AT&T is also one of those plays that, in a recession, people are going to keep their phones. I mean, if any, people can't live without their phones,
Right.
right? So we had a put signal, and then she's bouncing right back up off this level of support. I'm not playing AT&T. I'm not playing AT&T. I would buy the shares, just like Ford. I love me some Ford.
I know you do. You love that Ford.
Yes,
Ford.
yes, Ford. Like these are bargain prices right here. Not financial advice. I'm just saying, in my opinion, bargain prices. All right. Um, so AT&T, Ford. Also, AT&T pays dividends.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying.
I think it's 4%. It's something nice. AT&T's got a nice dividend.
Yeah, AT&T's got a nice
Let's
dividend.
see what the yield is on it. 5.33% is the yield. That's not bad. Anything above 4, like 4 to 5 is usually all right. Anything above 5 or 6, it's usually a little bit suspicious because they're kind of like almost trying to entice you to buy the
Yeah,
stock because of the dividend. So you got to be a little careful with those. But
but I
other than
mean,
that, it looks okay.
AT&T isn't going anywhere anytime in our lifetimes. It's a solid investment, and those dividends are sexy as fuck. So, hey.
Yeah. I'm thinking about throwing some dividend stocks into my stuff. I'm thinking about it. I got to set it up though.
Well, look at the SPY come alive. This is on the 3-minute. Let's go ahead and look at it on a 5-minute, right? So we were talking about it breaking coming up. The RSI broke its moving average, so that was an expectation. But I don't know. I don't know if it breaks the 48. I think we got a rejection and a continuation to the downside. That's just my opinion.
What this really reminds me of, this SPY move, is yesterday morning around 380. The drop and the pop back up into the zone. That's what it
Oh,
reminds me of.
yes.
So
Yes.
it looks like it could potentially kind of hang out here and then come down and test that 374 again and then fuck around there for a little bit. Remember all those options that we were talking about, Gabe, that are just hanging out at 380? If they pump
Yeah.
it,
Yes. 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 Woo, this is going to be interesting. Going to be interesting. All right. So, what is Apple doing?
was rimming on the 5, I believe. That's what I was looking at on it.
Yeah, she's rimming the 5 here. So, let's see. Wow. I really forget when I drew this line here, this blue pill line. But I remember we were talking about it and I drew this
Mhm.
line. And usually when I draw these blue pill lines, guys, it's when price breaks it usually it dies.
Yeah,
So yeah, I'm just trying to recall when I drew this line or why
that's a
I
good
drew
one.
it.
I mean,
But
that's kind of what I've been doing too, putting out those, because then you have that little zone. It breaks down below. You have that 3-minute cross, and then it's off to the races. Thank you for what was it? I think I ended up selling that position at like an average of 45% for a next week and it was moving slow. Like that's a great way to start off the day, man.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. What's Meta doing?
Hopefully capitulating. Actually, no, I don't want it to capitulate anymore. Stop dying, Facebook. Please stop. Please, God, no. No more pain.
Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Well, the only reason I want to go through Fang. So it's that's Facebook.
Now
Well.
it's
Now it's Ming. Sup, Ming? All right. So then we got Apple, and what's she doing? She's doing the same thing. And then we got Netflix. What is Netflix doing? Huh. Okay. Interesting. They're all pretty much following the same trend.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got Google or Alphabet, again, doing the same thing. So there you go. There goes your Fang. They're all pretty much trending the same way along with the SPY. So if you start seeing those guys break down, then you will see the SPY break
Yeah,
down.
Tesla's another one that'll influence stuff too.
Yes. So, Tesla is just, yeah. That put side is, there's a lot of money to be made.
You know where my hold on, let me pull
I
up.
think TMI is going to join the afternoon stream with like diamond studded smile.
Oh yeah. The bottom end of my little like support zone on Tesla is 668. So you see it hover and then cracks right down. Oh, Spy's getting a knife.
SPY's getting a knife.
Finally, dude.
Ooh, this is great.
Watch the 13 on the 5 is a little bit of, yeah, and VWAP is a little level of support. And then if it comes all the way back down to that 374 level of support and breaks it again, that could be dirty.
Here we go. So with Tesla, we don't, on the 4-hour, we don't have any immediate levels here. Well, let me see. Nope. So you're looking at 625 with Tesla?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at on it.
Ooh. Okay, let's go to
You're also
Oxy.
correct. Yeah, I was gonna say that too. Oxy loves to just shark fin on people, so you can see it on the 4-hour. Bye bye.
Oh!
Bye bye.
Warned you.
Bring me my money.
We warned you.
Yeah, careful with Oxy, guys. I have not been trading a lot of Oxy recently, mainly because oil's been weird. You saw OPEC news earlier today, and Oxy moves like a wild person, and then you have to worry about fucking Buffett coming in and screwing around with stuff. So, Oxy, you have to be careful of. Spy's
We
coming back down
warned
to
you.
support right now.
Yes.
AMD's cracking down on a 5-minute rim. Life is good.
Life is good. Life is really, really good. You know, unfortunately, you got the general public looking at that 401k and wondering, like, oh my God, you know, am I going to lose it all? You know, I know our own captain here, Ivan, he's down like 27% on his 401k.
Dude, I think from the top peak of my long term, I'm down a lot.
That's
Like,
not pretty.
no, I just sent you like the range of it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That hurts.
Yeah. It's fine though.
Well, you're making up for it here with
Yeah,
1348,
and I'm
right?
young. It's fine. Buy the dips.
Yes. Um, So here we go. We got the SPY here, right? Gets rejected by the 48. It's probably going to go ahead and rim to 13 here on the 5-minute. RSI is not showing me any indication of strength. Currently sitting at 47.29. This baby starts going down, so does this candle, right? And I need that blue pill to break. Guys, I promise you, she breaks this level here. It's oh my God, do we still have a market? That's what that is.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's coming down again.
Elliot, yes, Ivan is a firefighter. He's a captain. He's a fire captain. Let's see. STV's Weenus says, I'm in love with you guys. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. We're doing good. Guys, again, remember, today's the last day. You guys get over 55 private live streams every single month. We have, well, you get that one algorithm right now, Trader Joe, which is doing very well. We've got alerts on, what is it, over 450 stocks on multiple time frames, cryptos. You get the charts. You get the whole built-out learning curriculum. And we have a lot more things coming for you guys, too. So get ready.
Yeah.
We're perfectly fine with paying for the new stuff for all of our OGs, but for the people that want to come in after today, it's going to be wrapped into your membership. So check out the link wherever Gabe has it, live chat description. Let's make some money, man.
Let's make some money. Now, also, we're working on something. We're working on actually having our own chart system, real-time data. This is actually a very doable thing. No ETA on it, but as you guys know, we're constantly working to make sure that you have your all-in-one solution. So you guys could just come on in, log in, make your fucking money, go have lunch, see your side bitch, or whatever. whatever the case may be. Ladies, we know you're fucking a pool boy. You get it. Tip them better next time. So, with that being said, yeah, it'd be dope when we have our own chart so we end our dependence on TradingView, right?
Yep.
So our value proposition goes even higher. So you won't have to pay for real-time data, and you won't have to pay for the charts, et cetera, et cetera.
Mhm.
As long as you're a premium member, as long as you're an OG member, that will get included. You will never see a price increase, guys, as an OG member. Ever.
Never.
Ever. Yes, ever. Right? The 69ers, they'll be coming in tomorrow. You know, like, we got love for you too. And for the 69ers that end up coming in, they will never see a price increase
You get
into
locked
our
in
next
at
levels.
59.
Yeah. That's it.
So that ends today, though. Today's the last day. We've been talking about this all month. If you guys have been on the fence, today's the day. I mean, you guys have seen the amount of success that people have been having with this. We are the best place to come and learn how to trade. Our results speak for themselves. If you guys want to come in and learn, we'd love to have you.
That's it. Our results speak for themselves. And, you know, it's we love you guys. We love to see that you guys are excited about the product that we put out. And, you know, something that, you know, we turned a dream, a concept into a reality. And then to see other people just banking with us is really, really fucking dope, right? Because if you think about it, SCB, right? We could go ahead and we could jump on live streams and we could talk about like all the money we're making, and people will respect us as traders, right? But people don't care about what you know until they know you care. So, you know, we're literally showing them, we've given them the keys to the kingdom so that they can emulate our success too. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our table. Let's break bread. Let's make money. And, you know, may more hookers be in your future. And ladies, you know, may you go ahead and you know, fuck your husband. You don't need him.
I made money with one eye open today. Blaze Sniper. There you go, man. There you go, buddy. You're up 12%
Look
on
at
yours
her.
today. Woo!
I'm up 12% on mine today, heading out for the holiday. Happy 4th, Gabe and STV. Love you guys. We're OGs. We are awesome. You guys are awesome.
Let's go.
That's it. That is it. Let's see here. Gabe, does Gabe know how I can switch payment method without canceling?
If you do it today, you don't have to worry about it.
Exactly. That's it.
Tomorrow, though, it switches. Tomorrow, it switches up to 96.
Yeah, I think I'm better qualified to give marital advice than I am financial advice.
I would say so. What? Hold on. I feel like it's one word. Don't.
Marital? What do you mean?
I think your marital advice is one word. Don't.
Yeah, exactly. like who wants the same box of cereal every single day? When you could go ahead and get like those little variety packs that got Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops, you know, Captain Crunch. You know, like there's nothing wrong with that.
I was married once. I wasn't.
Yeah. STV,
Oh,
don't you? You know what's worse than taxes?
Marriage,
Divorce. Yes.
It's double taxes that year.
Yeah, double taxes that year. Double taxes.
After 13-foot-8, I'll be able to follow my dream job of being a pool boy for ladies without a pool.
I like that.
That was funny.
I like that.
That is a good one.
All right, it is 10:47. You got 13 minutes with us degenerates here, STV, and then you guys know that, oh, damn.
Whoa.
Wow. Bro, I'm surprised you're still alive. Jesus, 300K?
You got to make that back.
Dude, does she have like diamond encrusted snatch, bro? 300K? Fuck.
That's crazy. Happily single, dude. Oh, this is dude, my brother, he's been with the his same girlfriend for years, never getting married. And he's like, I don't know. We live together. Why do we need to get the state involved? He's just like, yeah, I'm not getting married. Nobody's convincing me otherwise. I'm telling you, you would like this guy.
Wow. Wow.
He's like, nah, I'm just not doing it.
I 300, that hurts.
300K is a lot.
That hurts. You know what I could do with
That's a
300K?
Ferrari right there.
Dude, I could probably flip 300K into maybe about 850 in about 2.5 months. All right, so what that means, guys, if you feel like a divorce is pending, sign up for 1348 so you can just.
You have to. It's just, what else are you gonna do? Oh, AMD new lows.
Ooh.
Oh, breaking 75.50 at Might Knife. It's got some buyers over here. You can see them fighting it.
Oh, wow. Here we go. AMD.
Flashing around over here. Foodmatic. I've been watching it all day. It's kind of flatlined. The other chip makers are moving more than Micron is. So I was thinking Micron was going to move a little bit more, and it's just not.
Yeah, my advice to anybody, don't play earnings. Earnings is a gamble. Because we all know, like, even though you might have good earnings leading up, but then like the forecast is shit.
Yeah, the
right?
guidance is terrible, which it could be with supply chain.
Yeah. I mean, we've seen that the forecast and the outlooks have not been great. So I wouldn't touch MU. I just wouldn't.
Yeah, I have my little specific earnings strategy that I like to use. I haven't done really any of it though. Now premiums are too high. You're seeing a lot of nonsense going. We are getting back into earnings season, so we can do it a little bit more. But earnings is a gamble. No matter how you play it, it's always a gamble.
Yes. So somebody asked, where is support for Nvidia? Well, on the 4 hours, she just broke it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So there's two ways to look at this scenario, right? Way number one, all right. First scenario, it broke, but RSI is way oversold. So that will probably validate the zone as support if buyers begin to step in. If buyers begin to step in, you would probably begin to see some momentum and start to see some curling here, right? Yeah, that's what I feel here on the 4 hour. Now, if we go ahead and look at the daily has a little bit more room to go. It broke this level here. It's one of those things where you just play the smaller time frames, right? And just secure the bag here, right? So you got this put here. There was money to be made here. Why not just take it? You already had RSI break above his moving average right here on this candle. And that was your first warning. You also are starting to see MACD begin to cross, right? That's going to be a warning number 2. But you don't have to tell me twice. Mm-hmm. You don't have to tell me twice. Seriously. Once I see RSI break his moving average, I'm like, okay, that play is done for me. DKNG, right? Let's go ahead and check that out. And then, all right, what's your opinion on DKNG? Do you have one?
You want the chart for right now, or you want what I think about the company?
All right, let's do chart. Well, you know what, chart for right now, we're probably looking at it just flatlining right here, guys.
Yeah.
Right? As a company, what do you think about it as a company?
I love it. I want to buy a bunch of it. That, in my opinion, I think eventually, I think DraftKings and a lot of these other online gambling sites are going to end up doing very well. What's it at? What's the high of it? Like 70? The thing's trading at like 11, 12. I mean, I personally want to get some of that for the long term. I'll do it eventually. I don't know when I'm exactly going to do that, but I do like that. Because think about it. Once it becomes more widely used, there's more open and relaxed sports gambling laws. I think it can do very well. We'll see.
Buy it now because football season cometh, and I think that's when we will see a spike. Yes. Right, not financial advice, but I like DKNG for a couple of reasons, right? When When the economy goes to shit, what do people do? They resort to hope. And so they will be using sports betting as a way to make money, I guess.
Look, they might try. Spy. Fuck you, Spy.
I had a long 55 option on DKNG till I learned about 1348. Oh, Andy. Okay. Gambling rises in economic depression. Yes.
Yeah, it could be like a little, not like an inverse, but you could. It's lower float. People like it too. It's been hyped up in the past. You could definitely see that thing get a little action. I don't know when I'm gonna buy it, but I'll buy it. I'm probably gonna time my buys with dailies or weeklies on with 1348. That's probably what I'll do because I'm gonna start loading up like a public long term account so we can have some fun.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, yeah, you see this pump here? Like, this pump is really, really interesting. But see, what's happening now is we're going into the hours where volume's going to start drying up.
Mhm.
And, I think like you're going to see people just, you see this pump here? You'll probably get right back up to maybe this level here, which is 375. And
Yeah.
then you'll see another sell off, I think, especially with the volume being what it is. I really see no reason for anyone to be, I guess, bullish in a market, especially going into the holidays right now.
Mhm.
Usually the summer is like just chill. Everyone's
Selling
just
may
chilling.
go away.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's where we're at. Guys, I want to go ahead and thank STV for joining me on this morning show. You guys are going to catch me here this afternoon with your boy TMI. Hopefully he got them gold grills thanks to Tesla shitting himself. But yes, we will see you guys at 2 o'clock. Let's go ahead, make some money, be smart. And
Mhm.
what do I think about PGR? I don't have an opinion right now. As a company, I don't know. As a stock, I don't know. Really don't care, to be honest with you. We're going to go ahead and let STV do his thing. Guys, make sure you check out the link down in the description. Check out the link pinned to the comments. What do you guys got to lose? Currently, it's only costing you $3.13 to trade.
Per day.
$3.13 to trade a day. That's all you got to make with us. And you know what? I think in these live streams, you could definitely make more than that.
Yeah, especially once you learn the strategy and you look at the levels. They're like reading. We'll do some more. Again, guys, all you new people in there, we have that whole built out curriculum. Gabe's got like 7 or 8 videos. I've got 2 on how like basically what options are. TMI is coming out with the TA videos. Combining all of these things together with 1348 just makes it so much dirtier. So again, guys, today's the last day to sign up and get locked in at 69. So let's do it, man.
That's it. Love you all. See you this afternoon.